Now, as the Swati Maliwal assault case deepens, the Delhi police at this point investigating the case suspect that the accused, Bibhav Kumar, may just have tampered with the CCTV footage inside Arvind Kejriwal's home. Bibhav is now in 5-day police custody, and you have Swati Maliwal, who has responded to all the drama that plays out on this case. Let's take you through a quick look on this detailed report, what's transpired so far.
The Swati Maliwal assault probe gains momentum. On Sunday, Delhi cops reached Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal's residence yet again and seized the digital video recorder of the cameras. This comes after the cops found no footage of the assault. Sources reveal that the CCTV images at Chief Minister Kejriwal's house were tampered. The blank CCTV footage raised questions and suspicions. Adding to the intrigue, the accused Bibhav allegedly formatted his phone, erasing potential evidence. Witnesses were reportedly influenced by Bibhav, further complicating the investigation. AAP MP Sanjay Singh, who earlier confirmed the assault on Sunday, also did a U-turn.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच बिभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की। उस वक्त तक जो वीडियो अभी आया है वो वीडियो नहीं आया था, सारे तथ्य अब सामने आ गए।
तो क्या आप लोग इंटरनल कमेटी बना के इसकी जांच कराना चाहते हैं आइडियल कंडीशन में?
देखिए, अब तो मामला न्यायालय में है और पुलिस में शिकायत है, जांच होने दीजिए।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's aide, Bibhav Kumar, now in 5-day police custody for allegedly assaulting AAP MP Swati Maliwal, maintained a defiant smile as he was escorted out of court on Saturday night.
The police has filed an application for seeking 7 days remand, and out of 7 days remand, 5 days remand has been ordered, and he will be produced after 5 days. He was allowed to meet his lawyer during the investigation and the family member, and the medicine, if any, on the medical etc. is required, he will be duly supplied.
Bibhav's father is alleging injustice.
भाजपा सरकार है, जैसा चाहे वैसा मैंने कर सकती है। और हमसे फोन से बात हुआ था तो कह रहा था कि पापा जी हम तो नाश्ता कर रहे थे तो आई थी बहुत बड़ा कांड करने के लिए।
India Today has accessed the Delhi Police's action plan for Bibhav's custody. Police will take Bibhav to Mumbai, where he allegedly formatted his phone, hoping to recover data with the help of forensic experts. They will also bring Bibhav to the crime scene at the Chief Minister residence to piece together the events of that fateful day. The investigation will delve into the reasons behind the fight and identify whom Bibhav contacted after the altercation.
Delhi police will be sending this DVR for forensic examination to understand that whether any sort of tampering was done, because that will then be used as evidence to actually invoke Section 201, which is destruction of evidence in this particular matter. With video journalist Manish, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.